Come and follow us as we explore the Zing Zumm Children's Museum of Jacksonville. At Zing Zumm, their mission is to engage all children through hands-on learning experiences that promote play, inspire imagination, foster creativity, and spark exploration in a fun, family-friendly environment. Zing Zumm is one of our partners in play and has had our Big Blue block since 2015. Our Big Blue blocks are the perfect addition to the hands-on learning experiences that you will find throughout the entire museum. While playing with the Big Blue blocks, we met with the executive director at Zing Zumm, Samantha.
I'm Samantha Plasica. I'm the Executive Director here at the Children's Museum of Jacksonville, also known as Zing Zumm, which is the amazing museum. They'll play on words there. So we've been open since the end of 2018 and have seen over 100,000 visitors since we opened. So this year has kind of been our first real full year. And it's just been fun. We've been growing ever since we opened, and we see families from multiple counties and really serve our military community as well. So our Big Blue blocks, our imagination playground, was actually one of the first pieces that we bought as a museum. So before we even opened our doors, we bought these, I want to say in 2015, and they went to festivals, community events, schools, all before we had our space. So they've seen a ton of love. They've been inside, they've been outside, and I can't even tell you how many countless hands have used them, but they are definitely a staple and something we will always have in our building.